My name is Ola, I'm nutritional therapist from Positive Vitality. I first found out about nutritional therapy a few years ago when my health was at its lowest and I was looking for answers how to improve it. That's how I discovered Institute of Health Sciences, which taught me about functional medicine. Implementing this knowledge to change my dietary habits and lifestyle factors allow me to heal myself from all the health issues I was suffering from. I told them, wow, this is amazing! I want to tell to everybody how wonderful you can feel using only the power of nutrients, and I want to teach everybody how they can live healthy, happy life to make it achievable for everyone. Institute of Health Sciences showed me how to make a career in nutritional therapy because this was completely different from my work background. Over there, I met people who were already successfully working in the field of nutrition, from whom I could learn and get the inspiration from. And I also met a lovely bunch of people who became my friends, with whom I'm still staying in contact with. And we keep supporting each other and we're sharing our experiences with each other. At the moment, I'm owner of Positive Vitality Nutritional Therapy, and my life is super exciting because I'm doing so many different things. I do workshops in which I'm showing the people how to prepare created by me recipes. I do health talks, corporate wellness programs, consultations. I write articles to a health magazine. At the moment, I'm also working on my ebook. So there's just so many things you can do as a nutritional therapist that the day is never boring. But the best thing is that I'm bringing a positive change to the life of people, and through my work I'm helping them to change their diet and to live happy, healthy living. This is so rewarding and it's such a wonderful feeling that it makes all the effort that I put into it, it makes it all worth it. Of course, it's not easy. I also have my difficult moments, but all the time I'm following my dream and I'm following my passion, and I know I can make it and I can be successful. Studying nutritional therapy at Institute of Health Sciences was a great experience for me, and that was the right choice that I made in my life. Thank you.